Bro, I didn't know how to open the garage from outside. My wife doesn't know this. For the last month, I've been parking my car, going into my house, coming around to the back door of the garage, walking into the garage, open it from the inside, and then driving the car in. And then I was in the kitchen, and there's a little bowl, and there was this little almost like remote type of thing. And I was like, babe, what is this? She's like, it's the garage door opener. She goes, how have you been opening the garage? I go, obviously I know the fucking garage. I said, I thought you just walk in and then open it.